What's going on, guys? Wolfsbake here. Got my 2014 Ram Mega Cab. We had a misfortune back in 2021, King of the Hammers. During a video shoot, transmission let go, we rolled her. So we're gonna make the best of what we got. A year later, we're working on her. Roof caved in, so we decided we're gonna go ahead and make it convertible. So the damages that she endured, well, roof caved in, windshield caved in. That's pretty much it. Doors are not repairable, so passenger side, no go. But the driver's side, they're fine. But are we gonna keep them? Absolutely not. So prior to King of the Hammers 2021, I knew this truck was gonna be more capable, so I decided to throw some harnesses on there. In order to install the harnesses, you gotta have a harness bar of some sort. I went ahead and installed these harness bars. It worked out. During the wreck, it helped the cab to stay squared up, good to go. So what's been done? Well, we have the doors off, interior ripped out, carpet ripped out, cut the roof off, cut the B pillars out, and cut the C pillars out. Now, we're off to designing the roll cage. And that will be on the next episode. Now, let's see how all of this happened. Let's get to the build.